So we're gonna go ahead and, ow. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, my name is Tamika. And if you're not new, hey girl, hello gorgeous. Welcome back. All right, so there's no more elephants in the room. Your girl is straight up relaxed, okay? Yes, I am relaxed. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go ahead and check that out. Today is just going to be like an update video of where I am with my body on Zepbound, where I am with my physical activity. And today is actually injection day, okay? I take my injections every other week because I am in maintenance mode. I have surpassed my weight loss goal. I am ranging between 136 and 139-ish when it comes down to my weight in maintenance, and I am on 5 milligrams. And no, I still don't know if my authorization is going to be renewed next year. More than likely what my doctor is going to do when it's time for me to get a new box, he is going to go ahead and resubmit my authorization, which is why I'm just going to go ahead and just take my injections as scheduled and not just do once a month. Now, you consult with your doctor when you need to skip weeks and all of that stuff, but it was okay by my doctor for me to even do every other week, or later in the months I can just do maybe once a month as far as like injections, okay? Because I don't plan on losing any weight. All right, so that is the whole Zepbound update. When it comes down to my physical activity, if you don't know and you're new, I did underwent a, what do you call it, like a little injury. I fell off of a stool and I injured my tailbone. Long story short, I have been doing nothing but low impact workouts. It was hard for me to walk, but this week my injury was kind of on and off, but I did kind of, the pain started aggravating me a lot on Wednesday, which is why I did not put out any vlogmas video at all. Said like the pain was just starting to intensify just a little bit more, and I was walking with a limp. And like I said, with low impact workouts, that has what I've been able to do, get on my walking pad and just keep walking as much as I could. And I still managed to get about 10,000 steps, but I was slow at getting it, you know. And that's one of the things I wanted to encourage people, that even though you may have like a little minor injury, you still want to try to keep going if you can. Now, don't push yourself if it hurts really, really bad to the point where you can't do anything. But doing upper body workouts is something that I have been able to do, but I didn't do it this week because this week was just a lot on my shoulders this week. But with that being said, if you have not been watching my shorts, I have been doing day to day. I think I stopped at day 9 with my step count. The reason why I was doing that is because your girl started the 75 soft challenge. Okay, I started on December 9th. Okay, and my 75 days will end on February 22nd. I kept that from you because I wasn't sure if I was going to even continue with it, but I was like, no, I'm not going to let this injury stop me. If all I'm doing is just walking, then that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going to do. And with the 75 soft challenge, if you have not heard of it, I did a video about the 75 soft. When did I do this? In March? Either late March or late February or early March was when I did the 75 soft challenge. I will link that below. Did the 75 soft challenge, and I had all the rules and everything up in there. I don't want to put all of that here because it will make the video long, but there is a thing called 75 hard, and then you got 75 soft. So with that being said, 75 soft is just less strict compared to 75 hard, where you have to do 2 45-minute workouts, one outside, one inside, read pages of books and drink a gallon of water and all of that. Well, 75 soft is less strict, but I'm doing more of a modification version, which is my version. I'm still going to do my 45-minute workout, but as far as like reading and stuff, like I'm not doing that. But just to put myself in a 75-day challenge of just working out, being consistent with that, and just changing my mindset and working on my inner self along with my outer self, that's what I'm doing. So I'm doing the 75 soft modification version, my version. All right. Oh, I forgot to keep going about the 75 soft. When I was on 75 soft, the reason why I quit, and I used to upload 75 soft on Sundays, the reason why I quit is because I was just starting the Zepbound, and I wasn't sure how my audience would react to me being on Zepbound and being on 75 soft. So I decided to keep it separate, and which is why I started doing Zepbound on Fridays, and on Sundays will be 75 soft upload. But I got a little bit too much in my head, and I was like, you know what? People are not going to be feeling the fact that I'm on that I'm on Zepbound and I'm going to be losing weight and blah, blah, blah. So I was like, you know what? Let me just quit 75 soft, and I'll just rely on the Zepbound. And I wish I would have stayed on 75 soft, because I felt like I could have built like a good resistance weightlifting training from that, because I had stopped and I was just very inconsistent. And my journey on Zepbound, I was inconsistent with weightlifting, but I was consistent with walking, and which is why you get the loose skin, saggy skin, whatnot. And I felt like if I would have continued with my 75 soft to challenge me to keep doing the weightlifting, then I probably wouldn't have lost all of my glutes. Like, my glutes are pitiful. It is straight up saggy, loose skin. There's no muscle, no nothing. And of course, with my injury on December 1st, when I started 75 soft modification, just this month for 75 soft, I couldn't work out on my lower body the way I wanted to because of my tailbone injury on December 9th. So with me feeling better now, I feel like I'm able to bend and move up. Like, I can feel a little pinch, but it's not that bad. I feel like I can start my resistance training. So I am going to start incorporating that. So on Fridays, because I don't really have much to say about Zepbound, and I'm only doing a monthly weigh-in, so you won't see that until the first Friday of January, I'm going to be incorporating the 75 soft. So hopefully that makes sense. So that way you will see 75 soft in the title, but this is still a Zepbound maintenance, but I'm doing 75 soft as a challenge to help with my weightlifting, so I can stay consistent with that. But now that I've taken a 2-week resistance training break, I'm going to be getting back into it very soon. So you will start seeing more videos about that. Okay, I did a whole vlogmas challenge. Child, I can't wait till Christmas, because that is when my last day. I'm stopping on Christmas Day. I need to give myself a break, okay? Because vlogmas is no joke, but it has been fun doing this. I'm telling you, it's been fun compared to a few years ago when I did Vlogtober. I stopped on day 10, and it's a little bit better when you have a community and you have people that are watching. The views may not be as high, but just having fun with it. And I think that's the beauty of just creating content, is just having fun and just showing up and communicating on your shorts and communicating on the community tab. Like, when I didn't post on Wednesday, I put that, like, I let y'all guys know, like, hey, I'm not posting anything. But last night I gave y'all 2 videos, okay? So I made up for that. All right. Need to get my needle. Hold on. Let's go ahead and do a I don't need have no alcohol. See, I can never do the darn thing right. Milligrams. So that means I got 2 left. So these will, gracious, January. So that means I won't need another pen. I won't need another box until February. So I'm good. But the thing is, I don't want to take the 7.5. 7.5 is a little strong. So we're going to go ahead and guys, click it. Okay. Because I don't have on bottoms, we're not going to show. Okay. And I don't remember where I injected last time. But here we go. Ow. A little piece of blood. All right. What else? And I think that's it. So I will catch you tomorrow, gorgeous. Goodbye, gorgeous. Just wanted to hop in and share that piece because I forgot to say that. All right. Goodbye, gorgeous.